Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyx Noel here and I'm back with another video. Happy 2022 guys, happy new year. This year we're gonna conquer it. This year we're gonna make it our year, and yeah, this is gonna be my first video of the year, and it's gonna be the clean makeup look, the infamous clean makeup look that I see crawling all over TikTok, and I'm bound to try it because honestly this is like the type of makeup look that I do on my everyday basis. So you can achieve this look, anyone can achieve this look, and today I'm going to be showing you products I use on this type of makeup look and how to just put on your face, literally. And now before we get into the video, I want you guys to subscribe, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video, and follow me on Instagram because why not? And here's a video. Okay, first things first, we have to have our face prepped and clean, and I've done that already. And then the important thing to use first is sunscreen. Gotta use our sunscreen. The sunscreen I'm gonna be using is the Axis Y Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen SPF 50. So after we have applied the sunscreen, just keep it raised from harming our skin. All skin colors must use sunscreen. It doesn't matter what color you are. Sunscreen is very important for your skin. Want to get damaged skin? No. Yeah. Okay, next, concealer. So I got like two types of concealer here. I've got my L'Oreal True Match Concealer Stick, and I've got my Makeup Forever palette, and I've got a concealer here. This one, so you can tell it's been super duper used, and I just really love the color on this concealer, so let's test it out. The way you put this concealer is you put in the crease here, inner corner, outer corner, same on the other side, inner and outer, and then conceal the rest. After that, we get our damp sponge and make sure to blend upwards to give that lifting effect. And tip for this clean makeup look, the type of concealer you have to use is somewhat nearest to your skin color, because you don't want to be having like light blotches on your skin. You want to have it looking most natural and nearest to your skin colors. Yeah. Okay, now that you've concealed, and next I like to do is put translucent powder on areas that needs to set. Under eyes. You can use any type of translucent powder. Okay, once we have set those concealers in, we brush our brows. We brush our brows upwards. You have that natural feathery effect. Whether you have full eyebrows or like thin brows, just make sure you brush them upward. And if you do have thin brows, you can have brow gels, tinted brow gel. Okay, let's see how that's fanned out. Now we go with our lashes. Since I had my lashes lifted, all I like to do now is just put some mascara over it, just to give it that fuller effect. Like so. And the mascara I'm using is the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. See how that's lifted? Next on the list is some cream blush. Others use tinted cream blush, and I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever cream blush in a palette. Others have it in, I keep dropping stuff. Others have it in tubes like these for easy application, and while mine is in a palette form, so I'm just going to use my fingers for it. You just only need like a few blotches, a few dots on the cheeks. Make sure it's going upward to get that lifted effect. And just make sure to blend that well. You can use the butt of your sponge And if you want to go the extra mile, you can add some highlight, which I'm going to do in the same palette I have, the Makeup Forever palette. I've got a cream highlight here and just add it on. Add that on top of the blush. Like so. Ooh, you see that already. On a side note, please do stay safe, guys. Keep hydrated. You know, stay healthy, drink lots of water, drink healthy foods, exercise, just whatever it takes to just keep yourself active and healthy, because sickness nowadays is not fun. Okay, now you got your highlight on, looking a little bit extra. We're going with lips. So we go for the natural color lips. I've got myself my, whoa, Happy Skin Tiny Lip Mini, oh here it is. Okay, Happy Skin Shut Up and Kiss Me Mini Matte Lippy. See, I've got this color, it's the nude color. And then just smudge it in before we apply the gloss. Alright, I got that natural lip color. I love this, actually. Now, for our gloss, I have here the Glitz Bish Sen Nudes in the shade Sen Nudes Plumping Gloss. So it gives that plump effect on the lips. Let's test her out. Oh, she pretty. Like so. And then to finish off the look, make sure you have that sleek back hair. You can have it in a bun or in a clamp like mine. Just make sure it's sleeked. I'll be back with the finishing look. Alright guys, here's the finishing look. Don't mind this mirror, just don't mind it. So get yourself a nice clean top. I use this like half turtleneck white top with a black blazer, and I've got some jeans on just to match it. And you gotta have your shades because you look cool with it. You look rich with it. You know what I mean? So this is your look. Yes, very nice, and it looks like you're not really wearing makeup. It's just like you're wearing some blush, that's all. So first things first, your hair has to be sleek. Have like little nice earrings, has to be gold, and some nice clean top, either black, white, or any plain top, and have something over it like a nice jacket, or you can just wear your plain top as it is. And any nice comforting and fitting jeans or any bottoms, your comforting comfortable shoes, and you can go without the shades. You'll look even cool. Either way, you'll look cool. So yeah, all you need is some concealer, blush, your mascara, lip gloss. You don't even have to put a liner on or any nude lipstick. Just have a gloss on, you'll be fine. A little bit of highlighter. And yeah, you can even add your little wing eyeliner if you want. I didn't because I just want to go for a clean, fresh look. Make sure your eyebrows are looking natural. And yeah, you're good to go. This is like your everyday makeup, but it's the infamous clean makeup look that I like to do every day. So here it is. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do have this type of video, please share them with me. Comment them down below, and I will be happy to, you know, exchange artistry with you guys and exchange ideas with you guys. And if you guys have any suggestions on what I can do next and what are the trends, like makeup trends to do next, just hit me up, comment them down below. I will surely and happily be doing them. And yeah, then again, subscribe, click this notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. Follow me on Instagram because why not? And yeah, happy new year guys, and let's conquer this year, because who knows, you know, everyone can do anything if you just set your mind to it. Again, this is the exploration station. We explore whatever is thrown in our faces. And yeah, we try something new. Let's make this year a year to try something new, try something out of your comfort zone, and yeah, you're good to go. This is my look, guys. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.